Hey guys, so I'm going to tell you why I haven't making videos yet. Okay, that's not why. This is what I'm about to tell you, and that's not why I haven't been making videos. Look, I almost got electrocuted yesterday night. I almost got electrocuted. So I was inside my room, and I was trying to plug up a fan, and Jody told me to plug it. My brother Jody told me to plug it up, like right near his bed, and that thing was broke. And I was like, I don't really care. He just told me to do it, and I plugged it in there, and then a spark came out and it went on my hand, and then my hand's burnt, and it hurts. Let me show you. I made a video, John. And look, it just went like that.
How about the build a fort, guys?
It's broke. Now it's broke. I can't use it. It just blew up instantly. And now it doesn't work. Ow.
Let's go and hit him for one, whatever.
Jody. Why are you so loud? Sorry, that's just Jody. He's loud. He's making videos. He's very loud. Like, okay, bye guys. That's all I wanted to tell you. That's all. Like, bye.